Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Now all you have to do is to simply tap on close, and your device will close all running apps. However, if you wish to be sure that a certain app was closed in the background, was removed from the background, let's say, all you have to do is to find it, tap on it and hold it. So in my case, the Google Play Store, tap on more features and tap on app info. And here right in the middle we've got the option for stop. So simply tap on it, tap on for stop again, and now you can be sure that your device simply stopped the app which was running in the background. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.